Hello everyone, I am Jay Brian Simba from BSP 1.10. Do you think all the personal data you shared on social media is secured? What if I say it's not? What if I say someone might know your personal data without you even knowing it? Since our world is circling around internet now, we're having much less care about our personal lives because entertainment and happiness has been all matters now. By that, we become more irresponsible and unprotective. We didn't know that the details we shared on social media can be used against us, whether you're aware of it or not. You share tons of personal information online every day, from checking your bank account to sending an email. And that isn't a bad thing. But when you don't protect this constant data exchange, it can become a gold mine for cyber criminals. The risks aren't just theoretical. This can do happen, leading to identity theft, financial loss, and even a compromised reputation. Entering your personal information on a fake website or a seemingly harmless click on a phishing email can give hackers access to your sensitive data and affect your digital presence for years. And on top of compromised data and financial losses, the emotional stress of dealing with a financial breach is overwhelming. Unauthorized access to personal information and data breaches can have serious precautions for both people and businesses. When private information ends up with the wrong hands, the consequences can be disastrous. The seriousness of this effect has illustrated by a number of well-known data breaches. For instance, identity theft and financial fraud can result in financial losses, leaving people in predicaments where their bank accounts are deflated or when bogus credit cards are issued in their names. Additionally, a company's image and consumer trust may be damaged by the reputational harm brought on by data breaches. Additionally, those who have their personal information compromised may suffer severe psychological effects, including feeling of vulnerability and invasion of privacy. To prevent such as incidents, it is crucial to implement strong measures to keep data secure. Utilizing private networks can add an extra layer of protection, and encrypting data transmitted over networks and safeguarding it from unauthorized access. Compliance with regulations can also help in safeguarding consumers' data and ensuring privacy rights are respected. By prioritizing the security of private data, organizations can mitigate these risks associated with data breaches and uphold the trust of their consumers. Additionally, hackers can steal your password through various methods, gaining access to your information. To really keep your data safe, you need to know how to protect your personal information online. Securing our data can make a huge impact on us. We need to keep we need to keep ourselves safe in this kind of world. We should always check everything and not be responsible, especially because of our personal data is at risk. I know all of us don't want this to happen, so I am encouraging all of you to act right and appropriately. Learn to know your actions, always think before you click, and don't be too careless. That's all. Thank you.